If you've been thinking about it for a while but haven't quite yet cozied up to the idea of winter camping, let me stop you right there and let you know that there are 3 specific reasons why you shouldn't go winter camping. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what they are. I'm going to come clean. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I still think it's a good idea. Hey everyone, welcome to the Backcountry. My name's Jesse, and on this channel, I'm all about getting beginners backpacking, including winter backpacking. But let's not fool ourselves. Winter camping isn't for everyone, and like I said, there are reasons why you shouldn't. And so let's jump right into it. The first reason why you shouldn't go winter backpacking is because it's cold. I mean, let's be real. I know you know that, but I'm not gonna blow hot air up in your direction, although that would be really nice in winter camping, wouldn't it? But it's cold, and that cold is a serious thing. If you really don't like the cold, well, winter camping, doesn't sound all that appealing. Now that being said, one of the misconceptions about winter camping is that you're cold all the time. You're not. Not if you're doing it right. You can actually be warm more often than not, as long as you have the right clothing system, the right sleep system, and the right shelter. It's actually quite an enjoyable experience, but that being said, I'm not going to deny it is still cold. The second reason people shouldn't just sign up for winter camping and think, hey, I'm gonna go winter camping, and maybe why you should seriously reconsider even thinking about it, is because it's dangerous. No, I mean it. It really is. In fact, if you're not prepared for it, it could be life-threatening, and that's not over-exaggerating. And on the note of being prepared for it, if you're really serious about thinking about winter camping this year, I'm launching something for the first time called Backcountry Forward Winter Workshop. It'll be a live stream event in January with a panel of experienced winter backpackers, all designed to get you on the winter backpacking trail. If you're interested in that, you can click the link in the description and enroll because there's limited availability. But like I was saying, winter backpacking is dangerous. And if you're not properly equipped, not properly prepared, if there's just a few simple mistakes that you make, it can be life-threatening. Take it from me. One of my first winter camping trips, I made a simple mistake with an emergency blanket, and I almost caught hypothermia. It could have cost me my life if it wasn't for the fact that I was playing it safe. And here in Canada, in the Canadian Rockies, avalanches pose a serious threat. So it might be a good chance to go out and explore different regions of your areas and see some different sites. However, like I said, even then, you still have the kicker of the cold, which was point number 1. So then what is the third and final reason why you genuinely, absolutely should not go winter camping? I mean, you personally. Yes, you. Specifically you. Well, this is your personal answer. Do you want to? Or does the idea just repulse you? The idea of pushing yourself and challenging yourself, doing something new, something that most people don't do, pushing yourself to your limits, having fun on an adventure that is unlike anything else you have experienced so far, taking the knowledge you have and putting it to the next level. If that doesn't interest you, then let me tell you, don't go winter backpacking. But if you're anything like me, that is the exact reason why I chose to start winter backpacking. But if you're ready to make that commitment, if you're ready to be intentional, you're going to need the next steps, which is why I put together these short playlists, both to encourage and equip you on your winter camping expeditions. Winter camping doesn't just happen. It takes intentionality and a commitment to learning, which is why I'll see you in the next one. Keep moving forward.